Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm back with another video for you guys. I promise you guys videos every single Friday and I plan on keeping that promise. So today I filmed this look for you guys. Today's video is going to be a voiceover because I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice, but I have been sick for the past like 2 or 3 days, and that's why this video will be going up a little bit later on in the day than usual because I just haven't had time to film. I haven't really felt like it, but today I started feeling a little bit better and I got up and filmed. So the reason I came up with this look is because I know that Coachella is a week from now and a lot of people are obviously looking for makeup looks to wear. So for the past couple of days, since I've literally just been laying in bed, I spent every single moment of my time researching a bunch of different festival makeup looks just to see what colors I saw a lot more, and I definitely did see a lot of yellow. I also saw a lot of blue, and honestly right now I have been obsessed with this teal blue color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And honestly, 2 of my favorite colors that go together are yellow and blue. I just feel like those colors complement each other so well. So today I came up with this look. It is that teal blue color from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette on the lid, and I put a really good amount of yellow on my under eyes, and I really love the way it came out. So I really hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I do. If you guys do like the video, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for new videos every single Friday, and I'm just gonna stop rambling. Let's just get right into the video. Alrighty, so I already did my brows off camera. I also primed my eyelids and I did my foundation. Now I'm just going into the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going to be using a flat shader brush. I'm going to dip it into the shade Enlight and apply that on my brow bone. Alright, now for my transition shade, I'm going to be using Silk Cream, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush and put that in the crease and into my outer corner. Now I'm taking the shade Creamsicle, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush that's just a little bit bigger than the one that I used previously, and I'm going to place that in the same areas that I placed the previous color. Now it's time to add our teal blue. I am taking the shade Pool Party with a flat shader brush and putting that on the eyelid. And of course, to blend out all of the edges, I am taking the shade Jada and blending everything out. Alrighty, now that we are almost done with the eyes, I am taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer along with my CoverGirl Queen Collection Natural Hue Liquid Makeup, and I am mixing that together to use as my cream contour. I've done this in plenty of videos. You guys can go ahead and watch how I do that more in depth, but that's just what I'm doing right now. Alright, done with contour. Now it's onto concealer. I'm using my travel size Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and I'm placing that in the usual areas where I apply my concealer. I was running out though, so I went ahead and I used my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and applied it over top and on the rest of the areas. And of course I used my brush from Morphe to blend everything out. Time for powder. I am using my Coty Airspun Loose Translucent Face Powder and applying that on the areas that I just applied the concealer. Time for contour. I am using my Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette. Don't worry, I am aware that my contour does look a little too harsh on camera, but I promise it didn't look like that in person. Now I am going in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. I don't remember the name of it, but I will have that linked in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Time to go back into the eyes, which means we are almost done. I am dipping back into the shade Creamsicle and applying that on the lower lash line. I also wanted to add yellow into my waterline, so what I did is I took a light concealer and blended it into the eyeshadow to make a yellow eyeliner because I didn't have any yellow eyeliner. And then I just took a pencil brush and smoked out that yellow underneath the eyes. Here's something that you guys usually don't see on my channel. I'm actually going to apply false eyelashes. First I'm curling my lashes and then I will be adding some mascara. Then I will go ahead and apply the falsies. The ones that I'm using are the Ardell Wispies, but I believe these are the Studio Effects ones. Just make sure you guys check the description box and I will make sure to have that info for you guys. And then of course you want to go ahead and apply mascara to your bottom lashes. Now it's time for the lips. I'm using my NYX lip liner in Natural and just lining my lips and kind of filling them in also. And then I will go ahead and use my over the top gloss from the Desi & Katy Dose of Colors collection and apply that over top. Now it's time for highlight. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I'm using those 3 shades that I pointed out, and that is what I am using for the highlights. Alright, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys do, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for new videos every single Friday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!